Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Gcash. Something went wrong. Please try again later. Try again problem in Gcash application. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Tap or hold on Gcash application. Go to apps info or I button. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Go back, open Play Store or Apps Store. Click on search icon. Search Gcash app. Update your Gcash application latest version. Step 3. Restart your device and again open it. You can follow all of the steps to fix Gcash. Something went wrong. Please try again later. Try again, problem solved.